Hello everyone, welcome back for yet another session with Math Buddy. We're going to be learning how to classify polygons, and for that we are going to use Anglegs. We have seen Anglegs in other activities, so I'm sure most of you are familiar with this. But in general, Anglegs has various colored sticks which can be joined together, right? You can join these sticks together to form shapes. So for this activity, we will use the workbook, right? So if you go into the activity that has classifying polygons, this is going to guide us in forming polygons, and once we form the polygons, we're going to write down certain things based on what we are observing. Okay. So the workbook tells us use 3 orange Anglegs to make a triangle. So locate the orange ones and just join them together by pressing it at the ends, right? So just press the orange Anglegs at the ends and you can form a triangle, right? Now once you form a triangle, you need to draw the polygon. So just draw the triangle. How many sides does it have? You just count the sides. It's 1, 2 and 3. So write down the number of sides. Then how many vertices does it have? Vertices are the corners, right? So it's 1, 2 and 3. So write down the number of vertices here. Once you are done with 3 orange Anglegs, it says use 4 blue Anglegs to make a square. So take 4 of these blue Anglegs and join them together. So take 4 of these things. One more. And once you form a square, just keep it down, right? So that's a square. Now how many, again you draw the polygon here, draw the square. How many sides does it have? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 4. And then how many vertices, how many corners? It's again 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down 4 there. So like this, why don't you go ahead and try to do the remaining polygons? What you need to also keep in mind is whenever we have all the colors the same, right, it's called a regular polygon, which means that the sides are all the same. Sides of the polygon all have the same length if we use the same color. Polygons can be irregular also. So if you have some sides which are longer than the others, they are called irregular polygons, right? In our case, we have up to 6 of these Anglegs. So you'll be able to do it up to 6 green Anglegs. And beyond 6 green Anglegs, you will not be able to form polygons with the Anglegs that are given to you. So you just draw the Anglegs. You just draw the polygon beyond 6. You just draw the polygons here and then write down the number of sides and the number of vertices based on any pattern that you are observing. Okay. So for example, 3, when you had 3 Anglegs, the number of sides was 3 and number of vertices was 3. When you had 4 Anglegs, number of sides was 4, number of vertices was 4. So based on that, when you are using 7 Anglegs, what will be the number of sides and number of vertices? So write that down here. Okay. So until this point, you just draw regular polygons. And then after this, you can use a combination of different lengths. So instead of using 3 orange Anglegs, just try to use randomly 3 different sticks and try to form a triangle. That will be an irregular polygon, right? So all these cases just form irregular polygons, and in these cases you write down the number of sides and the number of vertices. The objective of this activity is to give you a very solid understanding of the number of sides and number of vertices in a polygon, and also to give you an idea of how these polygons actually look. So I hope you all enjoyed this activity, and if you have any questions, you can always write to us support@mathbuddyonline.com.